This is chicken tinga. One of my favorite braised dishes from Mexico. Chicken thighs, guajillo chilies, sweet onion, tomato. It's so good. You can put it in anything. Enchilada, burrito, taco. It's one of the quintessential dishes. You must try it.
Sweet onions, caramelize those in some oil, bacon fat if you're daring. We've got some cumin, we've got some oregano, get that all kind of going, little oil, roasted garlic. We've got chipotles and adobo, dropping all of that in. I'm putting some more onion, there wasn't enough. Salt and pepper your thighs. Then you're gonna drop those in with that mixture, get those kind of roasted off. Then you're gonna toss in your fire roasted tomatoes or regular diced tomatoes, mix that all up. Take that, then you pull those out after the kind of braised, give the mixture a spin. Then you're gonna drop the thighs back in, let it finish and roast in the Instapot. I'll put all the timing and other details in the recipe. Get ready to be amazed.